If you want to download older versions of Capcut for your PC or Windows, then watch this video to the end. So without wasting much time, let's get started with the video. So first up, what you need to do now is that you want to open up your Chrome browser or any other browser you're using. You can use a laptop or phone to do this. I'm using my phone, but if you're using a laptop, it can work, or it can also work, so don't worry. So first up, what you need to do now is that you want to open up your web browser. I'm simply going to open up Chrome. So once you have opened up your web browser, what you have to do now is that you want to search for up to down. Then once you do that, type in Capcut and then hit the search option. Then once you do that, you're gonna see this option for Windows, Capcut for Windows. Download it from up to down for free. So click on this option, and that's gonna give you the option to download Capcut for Windows. And as you can see, it gives you the option to get the latest version, but in this case, you want the older version. So as you can see, there's an option called older versions. So you should simply click on the older versions option, and it's going to give you a ton of older versions of Capcut for the PC or Windows version. And as you can see, there are a ton of older versions, some of them dating back to 2023. And as you can see, if you want to keep on going down or backwards or getting older versions, you can simply click on the see more option, and it's going to give you more older versions of the Capcut for the PC or Windows version. And as you can see, it's dating back up to 2022. Then once you've found the version you want, you can simply click on it, and then it's going to give you the option to download. If you scroll down, it's going to give you the option to download. And as you can see, I'm using this, I'm doing this on my phone, but if you're doing it on your laptop or your PC, it also works. It doesn't matter. But then, as you can see, I'm able to download this older version of Capcut. So that's how you can easily download older versions of Capcut for your PC or Windows. So if you enjoyed this video or you found it helpful, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.